with the gang, you better move. I don't wanna play hard. We got baddies coming by the doors. It's crazy.
T-Man is back in Nashville, Tennessee after 3 long years. Now, it's going to be a little bit different this time because instead of flying back to DC, I plan to take a little road trip and drive from Nashville all the way back to DC. And I'm going to take you all with me. So, let's see how this goes.
This is that top I sent a picture of. Okay. It's like open kind of in the back. This is the one I sent a picture of on. Okay. Plain white. This is zips in the back. Okay. I was like, my room's a wreck now because I was going through all my clothes.
Oh yeah.
This is this one. This is a bodysuit. This one.
I think we start in here. Let's see what that bodysuit look like.
Okay.
I think that could work. Because I tried to pick like an Airbnb that has like a studio vibe.
Yeah, and I mean I like it a lot.
Yeah,
the natural lighting is amazing.
It works. Have a little bit more space to work with. And we can get these shots. 3. Put your hands to your side. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Are you ready?
Out towards you?
Yeah. You're gonna be like right here.
Facing you?
Yeah. All right, and I want you to just kind of move. Perfect. And cuidado. Go ahead, you good. Car coming, but you good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our next victim here at the T-Mid B&B studio. All right, now we're gonna try to take advantage of some natural light. We do have some sun. However, the sun comes in on the other side, so it's not as strong as we would like, but I think we can still take advantage of it. All right, so let's see what we can create with this vibe. All right, with professional model Selena Chitan.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi.
And your Instagram?
Selena.
Underscore.
Yeah, underscore Chitan.
Okay, let's go.
Back then we ain't know no better. 100 on the dash with the pedal of the metal. Back when times were easy, when no rhyme or reason, man, you wouldn't believe it. On 10, no gang in the sprint, and we pray to God that this shit don't get thicker.
I don't have it high at all. I have it on this lowest setting.
Down steady rockin' with the homies. In the hometown, everybody, yeah, they know me. Keep it low key when I'm moving the city. I ain't gotta think about it, I just know that we winning, yeah. I gotta make it on top of my brothers, I ain't got time today. I gotta make it on top of the people that love me, I told them I found a way. I gotta make it on top of my city, I'm bringing it with me, and I will stay. A long time coming, ever since back then when. Back then we ain't know no better. 100 on the dash with the pedal.
We got Lumix gang. And we got Canon. Okay. Hey. They said they running it. Okay. And we got what? Sony right here. Sony. What Sony you rocking?
I got the A7 IV right here, and I got the A6700 right here.
Ah, okay. So we got, this is a lovely location that we got right here. All right, I am the official light holder, guys, okay? You see, this is what you do. I am here to assist. I haven't taken one shot yet, okay? That's the dedication that I have right here, all right? Okay, I had a long day. I've been here at Imogen. I stopped in for a day, and now it's on to the next location, which I think is Atlanta. It's been a long adventure, but I made it to my next destination. I am in Atlanta. Y'all know Atlanta is like my second home, all right? We got Atlanta, we got Miami, all right? You know, I'm on the West Coast sometimes, but if we're really talking about the East Coast, we talking about DC, New York, Atlanta, and Miami. So that was like a 3-hour drive. Let's see what type of content and models I can get right here. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's go. So anytime I try to get a space, I try to get a space that can be used as a studio. So I found this nice loft in Atlanta, and I think I can make use of it. Now, in terms of size, it's actually kind of small, but I think with the aesthetic and what's up here versus what's down there, it can work. So let's put it to the test. We have Mar back with us, okay? I think I met you. That was like 2023 though, right? So we are like almost 3 years in, okay? See, I got longevity here, okay? Anytime I come to Atlanta, I'm like, Mar, where are you? Mar, where are you? So I was telling her about the space, and she was like, we still gonna make it work. So I believe in her. So, okay. So we have, boom. Nice, okay. Well, let's start with this, and then let's see what the vibe is. Boom.
Okay, Django.
1, 2. Boom. Perfect.
Yeah, I saw it, sure it's I think it fell for you. Crazy how you break my heart and you can melt it so. And I'm always captivated by the way you move. I don't wanna think about the future if it's no you. Yeah, I can see it dancing circles all around.
Right now, I am getting gas, and I'm headed to either Greensboro, or Raleigh, North Carolina. And we're gonna try to meet up with a model that I know and get a shoot. I was gonna stop in Greensville to see my old fellow model Morgan, but she was a little busy, so we're gonna have to catch her on the next round. So let's keep it going. That works for like that and then these straight ons. But maybe if you come, instead of twisting right here, you actually can turn to me and kind of play with it like this. Boom, and kind of give me that. Because I'm trying to get some of that also. So yeah, that spot right there is good. There we go. 1, 2. Ooh. Let's see, can you switch hips? Yeah. Boom, perfect. All right, I'm gonna get you as you start walking a little bit closer, all right? All right, 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Okay, we are on a search for the house key. It's a brief intermission, but we must find the house key. And it is a single key, right? Single key, okay. Oh, that's your backup.
Yeah.
Oh, so you coming to DC with us? Yeah. The night has ended like this. We did not find the key, guys. We did not find the key. So that's the ending of this trip.